when you have 20-degree mornings and heavy fog, top water is not the first thing that comes to mind. However, when I got in the boat this morning, I noticed that the air temperature, while in the 20s, water temperature was in the 60s. So immediately I thought, where would the bass be sitting at? I wanted to go somewhere where they had something that would hold warmth, rock, and with the water temperature being as warm as it was, it paid off right off the bat. As long as the fog hung around, the topwater bite seemed to stay. As soon as the fog lifted, the topwater bite tapered off, and I had to go a little bit more finesse to get the bites that I needed for that day. You can see here that I'm using the Berkley cane walker. It's the 125. I didn't downsize to the 110. I probably could have picked up a few more bites with the smaller topwater walking bait, but the 125 was paying off, so I stuck with it. I also decided to go with the cane walker because of the topwater sound that it makes. It's got the rattles in it. I could have went with a drift walker, but with the heavy fog, I wanted to make sure the fish could actually see and hear the bait. So that cane walker gives the loud sound that I wanted to get the fish to react the way I needed them to react. For the rest of the day, I worked my areas with a shaky head, using a 1/4 ounce flat bottom shaky head, Freedom tackle, paired with a Zoom trick worm, and it seemed to do the trick to pick up those fish in the areas where the topwater bite had tapered off. It was actually what I used the rest of the day. I tried other things, jerk bait and some different things like that, but it seemed to be the shaky head was what they were wanting. It wasn't a mega bag day. However, it was a good day of catching fish, and the topwater and the shaky head paid off pretty good all day long.